Hey there, fellow creators. It's time to dive into the enchanting world of Chapter 4 in our Vectr journey, the number field. Get ready to unlock the secrets of these numeric wizards and make your designs dance to your tune. Alright, adventurers, let's break it down. What exactly are these mystical number fields? Well, they're like little treasure chests scattered throughout Vectr 2.0, packed with possibilities. Each field comes with its own set of up and down arrow buttons, just waiting for you to make your magic. And here's the first trick up our sleeve: the arrow buttons. See those nifty little arrows? Clicking them gives you the power to raise or lower the numbers. But wait, there's a secret handshake. Hold down that shift key while clicking, and you've got yourself a ticket to precision. Increments of 10? Now if you're a keyboard maestro, we've got something special for you. Once you've summoned a number field, your trusty up and down arrow keys can take charge. Hit the up key and watch your value climb. Press the down key and it gracefully descends. But hold up! Remember that shift key? Press it while arrowing around and you'll be turbocharging your changes by a factor of 10. Blink and it's done. Here's the stylish way: the double click maneuver. Gently bestow a double click upon the number and behold, it's all selected, ready for your artistic command. Simply type in your desired value, hit enter, or whisk your mouse away, and voila, your wishes come true. With these tricks up your sleeve, you're now the master of the numbers, the commander of values, the ruler of precision. Whether you're fine-tuning sizes, nudging positions, or sprinkling some mathematical magic, Vectr's got your back. That's a wrap for Chapter 4, my fellow creators. Remember, every click, every key, every number, they're all threads in the tapestry of your design journey. So go forth, weave your digital dreams, and let those numbers dance to the rhythm of your imagination. This is Vis, signing off with a dash of numeric enchantment. Catch you in the next chapter.